things to narrate while I'm walking around filming stuff. That's why there's music over the videos. So having said that, as my confidence grows, I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do that. So I just thought I'd let you know, this is an event, as it turned out, by MK Sports Cars, who build the most amazing cars. They can bespoke it to the customer's needs, different engines, colours, they can wrap them. This next vehicle coming up that I videoed, they've put an automatic gearbox in for the customer because they could only drive automatic. So if you get a chance, I would highly recommend you go down there and speak to them, and there's a very, very good chance they could build a car of your dreams. realise when I was on the way down there, but that was an event organised by MK Sports Cars, so thank you for them for organising such a great event. So thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the channel? I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments, ideas, are aware of any other car meets that are around that I might be missing, please let me know about them. Yeah, and hopefully see you on the channel again soon. Thank you.